Well, of course, it has been a very warm day indeed out there for many of us, getting warmer still as we head through the next couple of days with temperatures widely into the 30s. So lots of hot weather coming our way, light winds as well, and just the chance of a few thundery showers. So this is where the heat is coming from. We're drawing it up from the near continent where we've got some very, very hot temperatures at the moment, up into the 40s across parts of France. And whilst it won't get that hot for us, we certainly will feel the effects of that as we head through the next 24 to 48 hours in particular. And as I said, some thundery showers in the forecast. Not much rain expected to reach the ground overnight tonight, but don't be surprised to hear the odd rumble of thunder or see a few flashes of lightning. And for all of us, even as skies clear later, it's going to stay very mild and perhaps quite sticky as well. Temperatures even in rural spots holding up at around 16 or 17 degrees Celsius. So tomorrow morning, a bit of a stuffy sort of start, but any lingering clouds soon dissipating. And for the rest of the day, it's set to stay largely dry and sunny. In that sunshine, of course, temperatures rising further. So tomorrow, inland, well up into the low 30s. I think if you want something a little fresher, it will be along the coast. Here, more of a sea breeze and perhaps some misty, murky low cloud as well. So tomorrow, I think the peak of the temperatures, but staying very hot as we head through the next few days. Bye-bye. Well, it certainly has been a pretty warm day to kick off the new week. We are, of course, now heading into heatwave territory. And through the next few days, it stays sunny and hot with light winds and just the risk of a few thundery showers here and there. So we can see where that heat is at the moment, very much down across the near continent. Temperatures across parts of France up into the 40s at the moment. And we'll feel the effects of that as that warm air comes our way. Thankfully, we should at least stay in the 30s. Out there at the moment, as I said, the risk of 1 or 2 thundery showers. I don't think much in the way of rain will reach the ground overnight tonight, but don't be surprised to hear the odd rumble or see the odd flash of lightning. And temperature-wise, even as the cloud starts to clear later, staying very much on the mild and, dare I say, quite uncomfortable side for sleeping. Lows for many hovering between 16 and 18 degrees. Tomorrow morning then, bit of a stuffy sort of start, any lingering clouds soon dissipating, and then for the rest of the day, lots of dry and fine weather. Plenty of unbroken sunshine. That means that temperatures will rise a little compared to today, so up into the low 30s for many inland spots. If you're looking for something a little bit fresher, then the coast is the place to head. We'll have some sea breezes developing here, especially so around the Kent and Sussex south coast, and we could also see a little bit of low cloud just drifting onto the coast at times. And UV levels, of course, in the sunshine will be high.